How to make your iPhone louder. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First and the most basic way to make your iPhone louder is to simply press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone until the volume reaches its maximum. Or you can also swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here too you will see the option for volume. You can set the volume to its fullest in order to make your iPhone louder. Next, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here tap on sounds and haptics option you see there and then go ahead and scroll down and tap on the headphone safety option. Here, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for reduced loud audio. Next, go back to settings again and then tap on the Face ID and passcode option you see there and enter your iPhone's passcode. Here you will see the option for attention aware features, so go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for attention aware features too, as this can prevent your iPhone from automatically lowering certain alert volumes when it detects you are looking at the screen. Next, go back and you will see the option for music. If not, then tap on the apps option you see there and scroll down and navigate to music and tap on it. Here you will see the option for EQ, tap on it and then go ahead and you can try options such as late night in order to make quieter sounds easier to hear, or you can also choose another EQ preset that suits your preference. Also make sure that your speaker grills are clean, and if not, then you can go ahead and clean the speaker, as sometimes the speaker might be blocking the volume. So remove any dust or debris from the speaker grill using a soft dry brush, and with this, blocked speakers can significantly be improved. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then go ahead and tap on the Bluetooth option you see there and go ahead and disable Bluetooth for the time being, as sometimes the audio might be connected to your Bluetooth. Also, if that does not help, you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. If not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on software update and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iPhone, as this may include audio bug fixes. And if that does not help too, then in settings again, tap on accessibility option. Further scroll down and you will see the option for audio and visual. So tap on the audio and visual option under the hearing tab and then go ahead and scroll down and you will see the balance tab. So go ahead and ensure that the balance slider is centered so sound is equally distributed. So this was about how you can make your iPhone louder. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.